Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of an AI trading investment website. So basically this is an artificial intelligence AI trading website where users can trade automatically. So here in this website you will get an AI bot that will trade on the behalf of users, and you can show users profit and loss on the daily basis from admin panel. So it completely depends on you. So viewers, if you need this type of website, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp link is in description. You can contact us on WhatsApp and you can buy this script from us. If you need the complete website with domain name, hosting, we also build the complete websites, and we will provide you any type of website you want. And if you need the APK of this website, and we will also provide you KPK, but that will cost you separately. So viewers, in this video I will give you the complete demo of this website, and then I will show you how we can make this kind of site within just 5 minutes. So using this source code, you can make this website in 5 minutes for you, and you can completely control this from admin. So now let's go to user panel and let's see how we can log in. So here, this is the user page of this website. Now if you want to log in, you must need an account. So here you can see that username or password. So now if you don't have an account, you have to create an account from here. So now let's create an account on this website. So I'll enter my username web123, and here you have to enter your email, so @gmail.com. so I'll enter my email over here I will enter my password. Here you have to enter your confirm password, and you can also enter your refer code. So this is you can also use this as referral marketing website. So I don't have a referral code currently, so I will just click on sign up, and you can see that we have successfully created our account on this website. So this is a very amazing website over here. So you can see your wallets over here, you can see total deposit, total withdrawals, total profits here. You can see your account information over here. So I will demonstrate you these things, but first let us go to our home page. So viewers, you can change these banners, whatever you want to change, you can change it from admin. Here you can see there is option of apps. So if you need an APK of website, we'll make it for you. And here you can put your APK and users can download your APK or from this section. You can add your Telegram. When user click Telegram, your user will be redirected to your Telegram channel. You can add your tutorials about yourself. Here you can add different cards. You can see different trading pairs over here, so user can see these pairs over here. And here is a graph of trading. User can see different graphs from this section. So here when user clicks, user can directly go to dashboard, different pages user can go from here. And here user can see different components, cards, go to settings, support, and log out from this section. So viewers, this is a deposit section. So now its deposit section is very amazing. User can, here you can see there is a QR and address. User can copy this, and here user can enter the amount user want to recharge, upload a screenshot of deposit and upload it, and admin will approve the deposit. Here is mining section. So this is how from where user can trade on this website. So this is a trading section. Basically this is an AI trading investment section. So from here user can trade on this website. Now user have to click on, and user can turn on bot trading from here, so on its balance. So this will trade on its balance, and admin can show loss or profit daily in percentage from admin. So loss and profit will completely be the under control of the admin. So admin can control loss and profit of users. Here is a withdrawal sections. So here you can see a user can withdraw its money using any of the gateway. So you can use any gateway you want. On deposit as well, you can use any gateway you want. So here user can withdraw its money. This is the mining section. So mine section, so you can see all your details, VIP privileges, trading wallet balance, trading deposits, profits, each and everything you can see over here. You can see your all account information in this section. You can see addresses, passwords, KYC verifications. You can do it from here. And let me just go back. So here you can see your KYC status, you can see your referral team, you can change your withdrawal setting, you can download the app, go to Telegram, about us, and you can sign out. So viewers, this is all about this amazing trading investment website. So now let's go to its admin panel and I will show you how its admin will looks like. So I'm going directly to my admin login page. So viewers, here you can see that I am on my admin login page of this AI trading investment website. Now how will you log into admin? So now here you have to enter your admin email. So I'm entering my admin details from this section over here in this section. When you click on login, it will log you into your admin panel of this website. Now this is the amazing admin panel of this website. So you can see that we have successfully logged into the admin panel of this website. And from here, we can completely control this AI trading investment website. It's easy to use. It's total graphical user interface. You don't need any coding knowledge to control this. Similarly, you can control everything from here. You can see total users, ban user, trade profits. Everything is in front of you. You can see over here trading, running trades, deposits, total users on the website. Here you will get the latest notifications. Over here you can see deposit notification in this section, and you can see website is completely newly created. If you change the language, you can do it from here. So viewers, if you want to buy this script, we will provide you this script at a very low price, and you can contact us, and we will also provide you complete support. This is not like that we will just give you script and we will not provide you support. If you buy from us, we will provide you complete support as well. So if you are looking for this kind of site, you are on the right video and you are here on a trustable platform. So you can buy from us, and you can trust us, and your trust is everything for us. And viewers, now let's explore the admin panel of this website. Here you can see there is an option of trade settings. From here, as I told you, you can show user balance daily. So here you can set different balance in percentage. For example, you have to show today I want to show user 3% profit. So you can show profit from here. And here you can set minimum trading amount. So you can show profit in plus or you can show profit in minus. So it completely depends on you. You want to show user profit or loss. Here you can set trading time. You can change the trading pair and image of that pair from here, and you can update trading settings. So this is completely simple and easy to use. And let's explore some other options. Here you can see all the running trades on the website. So currently website is newly created, so there is no running trade over here. But when users will trade on the website, all the running trades will be shown here in this section. This is the user section. So you can see all the users on the website. So currently you can see all users. This is our own account. You can see different users on the website. So you can see the details of users as well. So you can change details of users. You can add balance to user account. You can subtract balance from user account from here. So if you want to add balance or subtract balance, you can do it from here. Login as user, deposit logs, and you can change details of user from here. So this is a manage referral. So you can create different levels of referral from here. So you can turn it on, off. You can maintain different levels of referral from here. So you can change it from this section. This is the withdrawal sections. So from here you can create as many as withdrawals method you want. So currently there is only one withdrawal method that I showed you. You can delete this, edit this, whatever you want to do, you can do it. And if you want to add new withdrawal method by filling these simple details, you can add a new withdrawal method. So it's very simple and easy to use. You don't need any coding knowledge, nothing, just simple, easy interface. You can run this kind of site and make a lot of money through this investment and trading website. So here you can approve or reject different withdrawal request of user. So when user will request a withdrawal, request will be appear here. You can verify it through screenshot or transaction ID, and you can approve it or reject it. Here is deposit methods. So you can also create as many as deposit methods you want. Currently there are 4, 3 are turned off, and we are using USDT TRC20. You can edit them, and if you want to create new withdrawal method, your deposit method, you can do it from here by filling these simple details. So this is very simple and easy to use and easy to manage website. Here is general settings. So from general settings, you can change the name of website, you can change the currency of website, currency symbol of website, sign up bonus if you want to give to user, time frame, logo, or you can change the logo of website from here, and each and everything is changeable. You can manage the SEO of this website, you can clear the cache, you can manage the email configurations directly from here, and each and everything is changeable, and we will also guide you about everything, and if you need our help, we will help you as well if you buy from us. So viewers, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and also comment your thoughts in the video comment box, and reach us out and we will help you in everything. And if you need any kind of site, you can contact Script Smashers and Web Sparrows. We will help you out. So viewers, now let's go and let's install this script on our hosting server, and I will show you how we can install this script. Just for confirmation and for your trust, I'm going to install this script on my hosting. So viewers, to install this AI trading script, what we have to do is you have to first of all log into your Hostinger hPanel or cPanel that you are using. The installation process will remain the same. Either you are doing it on cPanel or you are doing it on Hostinger. So the installation process will remain the same. There is just an interface difference between cPanel and hPanel. So viewers, now what you have to do is you have to first of all go to your file manager. So let's go to file manager, and it will open our file manager. So we have to wait for it. So it is redirecting us to our public HTML folder. So now here you can see there is option of public HTML. So I will go to public HTML and I will install this script on my subdomain. So you can see that I have already uploaded my script over here. Now what you have to do is you have to click over here and you have to upload the file that I gave you. So this is the file. Basically you have to upload this file, and now viewers, what you have to do is you have to right click on this file and you have to extract this over here. So I will just extract this file in my root directory. So here you can see there are two more files inside this. So now you can delete this AI trading file from here. So now you can see there are two files over here. Number one is SQL file. So you have to download this file from this section. And number two is this assets file. So now just extract this file into your root directory. So it is extracting our file. So you can see over here, and you have to wait for it. So now you can see that our file has extracted successfully. Now you can easily delete your script from here, and you can also delete your SQL file if you have downloaded. So I have already downloaded this, so I will just delete from this file from here. So here is another SQL file folder, so you can also delete this from here if you want. So let's go back, and now viewers, what we have to do is we have to create the database. So now we will go to our database section, we have to go to management, and now we will create the database for this script here. So it has opened our database section. So my internet is a bit slow, so that's why it is loading things late. So now we will type AITRAD. So I will create the database with this name, and now here we have to create our password. So now I have created my password. After this, just click on create and your database will be created. Here your database is created. Now you have to copy this name from this section. So before copying this, now go to enter PHP my admin. So now until that will open, so we will just do some other work here. Go to core and we will put information in our .env file. So now here we have to enter our information. So my internet is slow, that's why it's loading these things late. So it will load our data inside the .env file. So we have to wait for it. And now here you can see that our .env has opened successfully. We have to enter all our data in this section. So here you have to enter the username, you have to enter the password, which is web@sparrow123, and now here you have to enter the link of your site. So I am hosting this on my subdomain, so I will just go to my subdomain and I will copy this name and I will paste it over here and I will save it. After saving this, you have to close this file, and now we will go over to PHP admin. Here we have to click on import. So I will go to my import folder, and here you can see there is option to choose the file, and you have to choose the database file that I just downloaded, and you have to upload that file over here. So I have choose the file, and now when I click on import, it will create my website. So it will update all the queries in the PHP my admin. So you can see that all the queries are uploaded successfully, and now we can use our website. We are good to go, and our website will have been created. So now here you can see that our website has created successfully, and this is our newly created AI trading website. So website is created successfully. So it's, you can see the site over here, and as I guided you each and everything about this website in my video before, so you can see each and everything over here. You can see different graphs, you can see different coins over here, and I am using it in my laptop. So here you can see different coins over here, and each and every section is working. Now if you want to log in, similarly you can log in from here. You can just simply click on create an account, and so now here I will enter my username. Here I have to enter my email, and I can enter my email over here. Enter your password, confirm password, and when you click on sign up, it will sign you up to your account. So viewers, here you can see that we have successfully signed up to our dashboard in this section, and here you can go to mining to start your mining, and each and everything is here. So as I told you about each and everything before. So viewers, if you like this video, do like and subscribe to our channel, and if you need this amazing AI trading investment website script, you can contact us. If you need complete website with domain name, hosting, where you don't need to do anything, we will do all the things for you. You can contact us, and we will build this complete site for your business. And if you need any type of website, e-commerce, investment, any other design on this website, so you can contact us, and we will provide you the site you want. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and be happy and stay tuned.